Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Need a visual of your task and deadlines? In this video, you will discover how to create a calendar in Trello and keep your schedule front and center. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, once you create your own workspace and basically you go to create your board, inside of the board itself, so let me just show you here, I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to just keep it private. Let's name it calendar, create, and here we are. So here, once you create it, it will be something like this. It will have board here, the name, and other things. To get the access to the calendar, you will be finding it right over here. Also, you can find it by clicking on this menu, and basically this arrow will allow you to view this drop-down menu. Select calendar so it can be added right here, and you will have an easy access to it. So here, this is the calendar. Now, the calendar can be synchronized to personal calendar by simply having like a URL, so you can enable it like this and copy it. So enabling this synchronization means anyone you share it with can view your calendar item associated with this board. So how can we manage this calendar? Well, it's all connected to the board. Let me just go and add a list. Let's name it test. I'm gonna add the card within this list and I'm gonna name it test number 1. Click on it, and here I'm gonna add date. I'm gonna add the due date, which is gonna be, for example, tomorrow, and click on save. Here, if I went to the calendar, you will find it right over here. So we are on the 8th of September. If you went to the calendar, you will find the due date is on the 9th of September. Test number 1. You will have from there a quick access to the list or the task itself. So this is where the calendar can come to help. You can manage the list of tasks from here and know when are they going to be submitted. So you can keep on track with every single task, which step they have arrived to, and how many days are left for this specific task to get to the due date. For example, if the task is still in the beginning phase of it, then they must hurry up. You have simply gonna do is go back to board and basically, for example, go here, edit card, give it a label, go here, edit it, and let's name it, for example, priority. So this is how it works. So I'm gonna just basically create a new label. I'm gonna name it high priority. I'm gonna give it a red and click on create. So with that, I can go back to the calendar, and as you can see, it changed even over here. Now, I'm not sure, but I think also you can add an image, so you can change the cover. We can add basically like an image like this. We can upload a cover image, but I think it will be shown. Nope, it didn't. Yeah, you could do a lot of things. You could, for example, change the color style of it, but of the card itself. I'm changing of the card. I need to change of this. So we can change the cover here. We can add like a color. We can change a lot of things within this exactly, and it will be basically the most important thing are going to be shown in the calendar. So this is what the calendar can be helpful with. Now there is a lot of not automation but power ups that can enhance your calendar and basically have a mix between the tasks and events that you have within your other calendars. For example, let's say you have a calendar of your company events in Google Calendar, and basically you want to mix it together so you can view both Google Calendar events and the task that you have within Trello. In that case, go ahead to your board and click right here on Power Apps. Click on it, add Power Apps. Then you might even search for Google Calendar, and as you can see, you will find here Union. So click on this, Unito I mean. So Unito is a calendar, basically like an app that will help you synchronize multiple apps together, which is Trello and any other app. So here we have Google Calendar, which is gonna be helping you to manage to connect your Trello events with your Google Calendar already made events, so they can be shown in Google Calendar, and basically you can save time simply by scrolling in your Google Calendar instead of going back and forward, see if there is like any event that comes with this task, so you can either like prioritize one of them and delay the other, or basically just exit the other or leave it behind. So there is a lot of cases of this calendar tool. And this is like the whole page of Trello. Like this is like how a good calendar would look like. It's very good. You could use this extension to like have, for example, let's say that you want to work on this thing all the week, so you can just extend it like that. So yeah, this is a very helpful thing that you can manage. Also, you can move it around, you can put it here, you can put it here. So there is a lot of use cases with this. Also, you can take control of your team workload, as you can see here. And the best thing is each task you can see actually who's working on it if you assign people to it. So if I want right here to board and click on the task itself, here you can add members. Just by clicking on members, you can assign people. Let me just assign here, and basically I'm gonna save it. If I want to the calendar, you can view the icon. You can make sure that your employee and coworkers have their pictures on their account, so you can identify each one of them easily without having the need to go and check their profile and check their names. So this is something that you could have a use cases of it. Also here you can prioritize and achieve full focus. As you can see here, like the use cases of this tool is very magnificent, especially if you mix it with all other tools that Trello has, from board into calendar into map, timeline, dashboard. That can boost your productivity, especially when it comes to the process of the task, how it's made, how and basically the communication within the team can be improved. You don't really have to waste time talking or calling each other. Simply you can check the board, and if it was any mistake or there was any mistake, then you can call and check with the team what's the problem with this thing. And yeah guys, that was perfectly it. Thank you guys all for watching, and let's meet in another video.